Pre-Kindy, Little Learning Stars A, Unit 3, Lesson 2. Letter G. G. Letter G. 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 Goat. 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 Grapes. 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 H. H. Letter H. Letter H. 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 Hat. 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 Hen. 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 G. G is for goat. G is for G is for grapes. G is for grapes. G is for grape. G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe. H is for hat. H is for hat. H is for hen. H is for hen. H is for house. H is for house. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Goodbye.